Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Access 3A and 3B simulation training. So open the Access 3A and 3B simulation training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So access 3A and 3B simulation training. Click the launch. So open the access 3A and 3B simulation training. And total question is 22. We move to the question number 1. On the message bar, click the enable contents. So click the enable contents, and next is on the ribbon, click the database tools. In the relationship group, click the relationship. Under the relationship tool, design tab relationship group, click the all relationships. Click the all relationship. In the relationship window, click the join line between the two fields list in the tool groups. Click the added relationship view on the many relationship where one the marriage is associated with the many students. Close the added relationship dialog box and then close the relationship window, the message box. So go to the database tool and in the relationship groups click the relationships, and under the relationships in the design tabs relationship groups click the all relationships, click the all relationships, and next is click the join lines between the two field list in the tool groups, and click the added the view to many where the measures associated many students, and close the added relationship dialog box and close the so window and click the between the lines, and click the between the lines tool, added the relationship, and next is many to relationships one of measures associated with the many, and close the edits and click OK, and next is click close and click the yes. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is in the navigation pane with the 3A students table selected on the ribbons, click create the tabs and then form the groups and click the form. Navigation pane with your 3A new students, 3A new student tables selected, and create the tab and click the form groups and click the form. Click the create tabs and form groups and click the form. And next is in the navigations area, click the next records 4 times to display the 5th record student ID. In the navigation area, select the text current record box 24 and then press enter. In the navigation area, click the lost record to display the lost record in the form, and click the next 4 time records, 4th records, next 4 time to display the 5th records ID is to the 345 in the navigation area, and select the text the current record, and the current record is select the text and current record box type 24, and then press enter. In the navigation lost records display the lost record form, and the current record is to 24 and press enter. And next is to click the lost record, display the lost record, click the lost records. next is in the navigation area, click the next record 4 times and type the 24 and press enter, and next is to the last record. And next is save the form in the 3a new student form. So 3a new student form, right clicks and click the save, and 3a new student form and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in the navigation pane with the your 3 images tables selected on the ribbons, click the create tabs, and then form groups, click the form to display the form including the related records in the 3 images tables. Navigation panes with your 3 images table selected on the ribbons and click the create tabs. So click the create tabs, and then form groups, click the form display, and next is close the form in the message box, click the yes and save the dialog box form name box 3 major form, and then click OK. So right clicks and click the close and click a yes, and next is to save as to 3 major form and click OK. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, so open the question number 4. In the navigation pane, double click your 3a student form to open it and create the new records in the navigation area. Click the new blank records to display a new blank form in the new students ID fields, and type the value in the first name fields, and then in the last name fields press enter. The doubles 3a new student forms and 3a new student form and create the new records. Double click the 3 new student form and create the new records, and create the new records, and new record display the blank in the new student ID. Student ID is to and first name is to Jean, and next is last name is to the word, and last name, and press enter. And next is close the 3 new student form. So right clicks and click the close, and double click the 3 new student table, it opens, and double click the 3 new student tables, and next is in the navigation, click the last record, verify the record you entered from the store in the underlying tables. So last records, and close the 3 new students, right clicks and click the close, and next is in the navigation pane, double click the 3 major form, it's open at the bottom of the screens in the navigation area form, not the navigation areas subdata sheets. Click the blank records major IDs, type the value and then press enter. Major the name is to the network security navigation pane, and double click the 3 major form, 3 major form at the bottom of the screens in the navigation from the navigation subdata sheets, and click the blank records. Point 22, and then press tab buttons, and next is major name field to the network, security, and press tab button. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, In the three major objects with the major ID field selected on the home tabs in the find groups, click the find buttons in the look in the box. Notice grants fields display in the find what dialog box, and then click find next in the find and replace dialog box and click the cancel. So 3A major objects in the major ID on the home tabs and find groups, and click the find buttons, and next is grant fields display in the find what. So find what is types to letter 100.3, and then click the find next and find next, and find next is click the cancel. On the home tabs in the record groups, click the delete the arrow, and then click the delete records major ID. So delete the records on the home tabs in the record groups, and click the delete arrow and delete the record, click the yes. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in the 3 new student form in the first record with the major ID fields selected as home tabs in the find groups, and click the find to display the find and replace dialog box in the find what box 339. Click the find next and click the close and find and replace dialog box. So 3A new student form in the first records in the first records home tabs in the find groups, and click the find display in the find what is to 339, and click the find next and click the cancels. And next is in the 3A student form on the home tab sort and filter group, click the selections and click equal to 339. Only the student the major ID 339 display the home tabs. In the sort and filter group, click the toggle filters, remove the filter and display all the records. Open the 3A student form, go to the home tabs and the sort and filter groups, and click the selections, and next is to equal to 339, and so that's only student ID measures 339 display and home tabs and sort and filter groups, and click the toggle filters and remove the filters in the 3 students in the last name field in the first records, and select the first B on the home tabs. 3 students in the last name in the last name the first name is to B on the home tabs in the, so select the first name is B on the home tabs. In the sort and filter groups, click the selections and then click equal to begin with the B, and next is the to display the only record where the last name began in the latter, display the B in the sort and filter groups, and click the advance and clear the all advance. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is in the 3A new student form on the home tabs in the sort and filter group, click the advance and then click the filter by form. In the form, click the city fields name, the position insertion points in the city box at the right edge of the city, click the arrow and then click the dripping spring in the sort and filter groups and click the toggle filters. So 3A new student form, go to the home tabs and sort and filter groups and click the advance and click the filter by form and click the city fields. So click the city fields name in the insertion point, click the city field at the right edge of the city and click the arrow and click the dripping spring So dripping spring and sort and filter groups and click the toggles. Click the toggles. And next is on the home tab, sort and filter group, click the advanced and then click the filter by form with the dripping spring display in the form. In the lower left corner of the form, click all tabs and click the city fields box arrow and click the Austrian. In the sort and filter groups, click the toggle filter. Go to the home tabs and sort and filter groups, click the advanced and click the advanced and click the filter by form with the dripping spring is displayed in the lower left corner and click all tab. And next is city field box arrow and click the Austrians and click the Austrians in the sort and filter groups and click the toggle filters. And next is in the sort and filter groups, click the advanced and then click the clear the all filters. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is in the sort and filter groups, click the advanced and then click the advanced filter sorts. In the 3A new students field list, double click city and then double click the major ID in the criteria row under the city type Austrian. In the criteria arrow row under the major ID type 339 and then press enter. In the sort and filter group, click the toggle filter, display the filter records. Sort and filter groups and click the advanced to the advanced filters. Advanced filter source in the 3A students in the 3A new students and double click the city. So double click the city and double click the major ID and double click the major ID. And next is in the criteria row under the city type Austrian and the criteria major ID field is to the 339 and then press enter. Sort and filter groups and click the toggle filters. And next is on the home tabs in the sort and filter groups, click the toggle filter to remove the filter and close the 3A new student form. Go to the home tabs in the sort and filter groups and click the toggle filter, remove the filters and close the 3A form. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is on the ribbons, click the create tabs and then in the form groups and click the form wizards. In the table query box, click the arrow, display the list available table and then queries from the which you create the form and click the table in the 3A new student. So go to the create tabs and form groups and click the form wizards. In the table queries box and click the arrow to display the available query which you can create the 3 new students. And next is in the variables list, double click the name of the orders given to the selected field list in the first name, double click in the first name and last name. And next is to the major ID and click the next. Be sure to the columnars selected it and layouts and then click the next. And what title is to do you want to yours selected it to the box type is to 3A students major change form and click the finish. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is with the 3A student major change from the display on the home tabs in the view groups and click the top portion view button the switch layout view. 3A students majors and click the home tabs view groups and click the switch to the layout view. And next is click the first name label control, uh, first name label controls, and hold shift is click the last name and major ID, and then three text box and control form on the home tabs under the form layout view, and click the arrange tabs, and next is to arrange tables and groups and click the stack column. So question number 10 is complete.